If you've been following the tech world at all, you know that the last few months haven't been great for Intel, and if you're an Intel shareholder then how are you hanging on? And the last few weeks have been especially turbulent. First, Donald Trump out of nowhere said that Intel's brand new CEO, Lip Bhutan, has to resign after raising concerns about Intel's involvement with AI projects in China. Then soon after that, he's been talking about how they've been having really constructive conversations. Then Intel has missed brand new targets when it comes to the failing Intel Foundry business. And the rotten cherry on top is that the US-based projects have been massively delayed. So obviously it hasn't been going well, and the brand new CEO of Intel has been taking a lot of heat for all of this, even though, let's be honest, he hasn't really been in the spot long enough to really be responsible for a lot of what's going on at Intel. But don't worry, Intel isn't going anywhere. While we still don't know if they're going to be selling or keeping the Intel Foundry business because they keep on flip-flopping on the idea, what we do know is that SoftBank, a Japanese-based investment firm, recently invested a whopping $2 billion into the company. And there's even rumors now that the US government is ready to purchase a 10% stake in Intel, making them the largest shareholder by far, meaning that it's an interesting time for Intel ahead. And obviously, while we are very much disappointed about some of the stuff coming out on the consumer side, and well, stuff hasn't been looking too good on the enterprise side either, there is at least apparently some cool stuff coming if the big guys like SoftBank and the US federal government are so keen to keep on investing in the company despite all of the troubles after the last couple of years. So I want to hear from you. What are your expectations for Intel going forward? Do you think they'll survive? And what exactly do you think that all of those players see in Intel that are investing so much right now? Well, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe check out our Patreon as well, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Bartosz Volker, Patrick Harrison, Nala Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft. But anyway, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.